Attention all veterans. You fought bad guys in Afghanistan, Iraq, and all over the world. And now it's time to consider a transition to a civilian career. And guess what? The biggest threat to our country is coming in cyberspace. Learnix Tree Center is a state-certified school, and we can lead you to the cybersecurity career after you successfully finished your military career. We do have instructors who are former veterans themselves, and they are going to train you how to transition to the civilian life. We have cybersecurity career paths and certifications that are suitable for people who never had prior IT experience or any background in computers. Or if you already had exposure to information technology and computers, you may consider higher level certifications. Our first step toward a successful cybersecurity career is a Cybersecurity Technician certification. We provide live instructors who are interfacing with you personally, and those instructors again are former veterans themselves, and they're going to help you to transition. However, all our classes are online, so you're still able to study and communicate from the comfort of your home and at your own pace. We have a very convenient self-paced portal where you prepare yourself for the upcoming session twice a week for 3 hours. You prepare at home, then you come to class and you meet face-to-face with your instructor and you study toward your cybersecurity certification. This training includes heavy hands-on training. This is a great distinction from many other classes because we have 83 live labs and capture the flag exercises that you can get trained with your instructor and also at home by yourself. So, and in addition to that, we have a great job placement assistance module and soft skills development module. What it does is that, again, instructors who are certified and who are the veterans themselves, they are going to advise you on how to reshape your resume, how to prepare for the upcoming interview, how to search for a job, how to apply for cleared jobs, how to apply for government jobs, how to apply for private sector jobs. So in other words, we offer a full spectrum training for veterans. And again, it's absolutely free for you. So please consider applying. Again, the first step is a cybersecurity technician. All courses are certified and we are a state certified school. Please click on this link and we are going to consult with you and we are going to help you to set up your successful career.